Welcome to Deb 3 TV for another edition of a Pass and Move special. Today is Highlanders taking on Moz Football Club, Konarapa Papa Fields Stadium. Druza, welcome to Deb 3 TV. You see my brother? Mnandi. Team part we V namhla kunge Wednesday. Ivela ku 2-2 le Dynamos. Uyibona njani game namuhla?
Yeah, at least siqalele emuva kwe Dynamos abadlalile abafana. Let's hope bazaqhubeka lapha abagcine khona. But ngibona namhla bazadlala kuhle kakhulu ngoba ukuhlohla 2 goals ngoba niki confidence ukuthi guys you can do it asamenze exam. So also kithi thina ama supporters ukuthi afala aba asiba supporteni singabachayela ukhwelo bafuna isupport yethu. At the end of the day uzabona nqabe away bazadlala kuhle ukudlula eBF. Why? eBF asisela ama supporters esilabo coach kuma terraces. Yabo aba demoralize abafana. Umuntu akhuthi ibhora anti asishayina izandla ayayayi zama boys akhoze siba discourage siba keep egemini siyazibulalela abafana.
Ngithandile indlela okukhulume ngayo ukuthi lina nje ama support lingacoach supportanini abafana libakhuthaze. But anyway namhla versus Moz uyibona njani game manje?
Right, yeah. Mbona namhlanje i-team yamzadlala kuhle. Umongameli uza assister. Xa engahlohlanga uza assister. But isifiso sami ukuthi ngifuna ukubona uReason akangeni sibone. uReason the day azangena khona even uzadlala namhla kwazi but uzahlohla vele uReason. So kithi ukuthi ama supporters siba support afana part kweviki into esichaya nje ukuthi iPSL yakho ezibhora. Yikho nje ama supporters anazabe emalutshwane but ibhora likabela ku $3 mdala. Kabe kugcwala lapha noma sekuthiwe sidlala Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday sebe sihlala sicwela. Sure.
So ubona nto ukukhona kwebhora lokuza affecta igame yanamuhla yini?
Yes, kuya affecta igame yanamuhla. Nje ubona ukuthi kuphathi kweviki. Of course abanye abantu abasebenzi but ukuthi bebuye la kumele begade imchova besuke endaweni ezijeneyo bephinde bezebhadala $5 kuyacosta. Yabo? Yes, but $3 bingcono kwanza ukuthi umethe uthola $5 ubuyuze ebukela ugade udla amazambane.
Ngesikole yini?
Highlanders 2 Moz 0.
Sabona after board.
Sharp mntana.
See my brother. Sharp. My brother, welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Yebo, sawona ni maZimbabwe namadle.
Usharp Ram.
Ni sharp.
Kadi iskipper se 100 singawona ukuchayisa ke si green.
Shagare ukuthi atinga kabila iskipper se 100. Apart kodwa ngiyastinga fi.
Yastinga.
Ngiyastinga sikona lapha sithengiswa khona emarket lapha. Phakathi Alright, aswi. Highlanders versus Moz. Uyibona njani game namuhla? Hayi game namuhla i-team ngani very safe for mina. Hayi win.
Ngesikoleni.
Ayisikole nasaba 2-0.
Bani hlohlayo?
Abahlohla bonke match abahlohla. Bayahlohla.
Uma uchafaka wani? Omunye?
Erika Visa. Omunye hayi nalona la omunye striker la.
Isi my bra. Sharp my bra. Sharp. Machitali sharp.
Show mfethu khambani.
Ngikhuluma lo bani?
Khuluma lo Sijalala.
Sijalala, welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Thank you so much.
Ngapha?
Ukhuluma lo
King. Ngapha?
Ukhuluma lo
Coco Master, Sijalala, King, Coco Master. Lishaba for it.
Iskiwa.
Highlanders versus Moz. Libona njani game namhla? Ngeva ukuthi team ivela dlala kuhle eHarare versus Dynamos 2-2 draw. Namhla libona njani game?
Yabona iMoz ne ilezibindi because ngabe babona into siyenza iDynamos le. Bona bavele bathi basifuna. Babona intuthu lamhla. Moz. How many times did I call you Moz?
I mean, I think njenge team ebuilder, I think 2-0 will be fair results. Siya win. Siyayithatha lento.
Hayi mina njengokhokho master mbona ani 2-1 at least. 2-1 because iback yethu ingani iloku ngabe organized kancane. But bangazama kwaphana ngutshele 2-1 is a fair play.
Lo coach kangalandeli ucoach kangalandeli kakhulu inkwele engalaleli ukhwela ubhenji kanti izinto zakhe ngesikhathi simnika isikhathi nguye khona nguyophetha intambo
kanti ngesikhathi ngesikhathi esiright nothi umuntu usephele sihamba ngamadolo inkwele se-substitute.
Alright, ngicela ni ozahlohla sengikwazi ama prediction ngicela elibonani ubazahlohla.
Umongameli uyayiphinda uPrince ngimthembile.
Mina I go with the Oga. Oga.
Mina kama ngoReason madoda. Ura uzimbona hayi. Uyasifaka eplanini.
All right, Machita. Sibone ukuthi uyazala nkumoni siyahlangana after game. Thanks Machins. Shamachita. Shamachins.
Mana siyabona isigame.
Ora.
Somtala.
Show kasi.
So I want to TV, YouTube and Chairman.
Eta.
Zitin my bro.
I'm not sharp.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah.
Islanders versus Moz. Kuphakathi kweviki kunje Island ivela adlala iDynamos 2-2. Uyibona njani igame namuhla?
Igame namhla kumele siwine vele sichaye 2-1. Siyawazi awumonga vele simkhanyela uzobona uzoyenza kanjani lo mNigeria. Sicela ukuthi eshimabe ngabe ucoach engacabanga masene faka umahashi faster. Sibone kokuyenza igame engaqalisa.
All right, Chairman. Asibona after game uyazala nkomoni.
Sharp.
Nice one my bro. Hello, Siswa Mushap.
Ngishabhuda munjani?
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Thank you.
Islanders versus Moz kungaphakathi kweviki kunje. So uyibona njani igame namuhla?
2-0.
2-0.
Yeah. 2-0 nyana so.
Who's scoring?
Obvious umongameli umna wami. The only president. Umongameli no Never Raush. Yeah.
Okay, nice one my sister. Asibona after Bora ukuthi 2-0 yakhe ephuma yini. Sharp my sister. Sharp. My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Masibonge Kiwa.
Islanders 0 Moz 0.
Yes. Hawu bafowethu. Yabona namhlanje kuphakathi kweviki but yabona nento leyenzakele namhlanje. Siyasama each and every time ukuthi $5 imali eningi. Omunye yakhona ungena etown ezosebenzela $5 ebele endlini. But asiyali bazamile abafana but ama draw. Hayi. Ayisiyo solandile phakathi kweviki. But esesikucela besicela ukuthi labo behlanganise. Yabona na kumiti. Sicelani uMarwaru la ezami ukuvuna inkophe elungise imiti. Yabona imiti? Siyacela.
My brother,
But
welcome to Tape 3 TV.
yes, ngiyabonga but. Singakusola konke okwenzakeleyo but mina all my blame is to coach. I-assembling of players yakhe iyethusa vele asikaze sibone umbebe ekumiti then uyahlala esukumisa amasapu asukumisayo uyasukumisa up to 89 minutes home. Siyazibuza ukuthi manje udlala liphi iBorumarwaro. Ama-substitutions akhe ngani ngumuntu anobiziwe engakaboni igame ukuthi igame idlala njani. uBenjani is failing us. Even ku-press statement sakhe akalabu coach ulobu supporter. Asikwazi ukuthi uzasinika nini into esifunayo but he is our coach. We will rally behind him but may he change indlela ayenza ngayo. Kuyathatha ama-supporters athembakeleyo ku-Islanders abhadala imali eziningi ama-$5 la amaningi. Akasicabangela uBenjani. Sesicabanga uBenjani into akasicabangela. Siyakwazi ukuthi they are on a system but hayi ngaleyo ndlela.
Mana ngizoputha. Putha siyami.
You are back here. Yazi thini is game number
3.
Game number 3 yawazi ukuthi nxa ungicoach should be tactically there. Yabo. Our team first half we played good football. Second half we are not even playing anything. It's like we are throwing souls phambili. Asikwe eDonetsk le Ukraine le Russia. Tuyaphonga ujikela abantu. Big tactical Marwaru lawo. Ungasidlalisa amabatha akho lapha. Siyacela iBhora Benjani. Lokho asikufuna uzidlela imali uchivayo wethu. Siyabona iBhora it's there but it's lacking something within the coach. The coach is not decisive in his selection. Yabona coach my tactically ekwanza ukusubstitute uyafaka ama team ama players like you have to be tactical. First half he was brilliant but second half he's not there. We're just mixing something. That something is the coach.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Right. Welcome. Ngiyabonga uyabona into esiba ngayo la. Singablame umuntu oyi1 but iBoso ilama coach angu 3. Right, strikers coach ngumkhokheli. Midfielders coach ngucoach wethu esilayo uBenjani. Attacking midfielder. Right, defenders coach Silobeke. Right. Iproblem yethu ibe nga ku midfield besingela number 10. Hancho. Ophakulula amabhora playmaker. Asila playmaker eka Johannes Ngozo. Right. Number 2 asila abantu abalandela umNigerian elumsubstitutayo edlala engathi uyapasa akula muntu olandelayo sifuna u-false number 9 obuya ngemuva it's either nguyena lona number 10 obuyayo esupplier umNigerian ngapasa laphana bevule bepase sihlohli laphana madoda besingela formation namhla lingantshela ukuthi namhla besidlala formation bani ngiyabonga
Mtomtala ushap
ngiyaphila unjani
welcome to Tape 3 TV
thank you mina as far as I'm concerned ngibona ukuthi coach laphana nguyenza mistake coach i-team first half was playing very well yena i-substitution yakhe uphazamisile vele ukhipha umNigerian lo Raush wafaka uPrince lo nalo mfana ongeneleya ngimazi ngibizo lakhe the other thing uSmola umdlalisa off position uSmola yena vele is a behind striker kamdla se behind strikers uSmola lapha uyakhona ukuthi agcina ibhora uyakhona ukudribula apase but usweleni ubani umuntu ozamsupport eduzane abafana bayelenda babaleka abafuna ukuvulela ibhora eduzane babaleka abafuna ukucatsha uma Ninja was wasteful uPrince ungene wa consider ama foul kuphela lokho siwa very high it's very stupid
Mtala uvumelana la
hayi khona ukukhulunywa ngomdala ngabe uliqiniso pari mina into ele problem ukuthi ngabe ufake umahathi yabona ngendlela ipressure zikhona ngesecond half bekufuze kunjani kube kungathi kuyatshintsha kancane pari hayi abafana bona ukudlala bayadlala pari still khona phana kumahathi khona pha yiko kule problem thank you yabo pari next time ucoach kanazerele into zakhe nxa ukuthi sesabhula lapha engambani mahathi because 3 minutes 4 minutes anti yabona umuntu lwana uyabenjani at least the first half lapha bekufuze njani emfake khona pha ngiyabonga kakho
that's why my brother Mtomtala
Linjani baba
welcome to Tape 3 TV
siyabonga kakhulu
Islanders 0-0 ubone njani game
game usiyidlala sibili angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ama draw ethu lawo but into mina engingani ngiyayikhangela ngengani ngalithinta ibhola ngimncane angikwazi ukuthi ucoach wethu usolani kumahashi kakhulu into isola kumahashi angikwazi ngoba namhlanje umyangise the west ukuthi ibhola uyazama usubstitute sokusele 3 minutes uyakwazi ibhola lapho la after 3 minutes akamfakanga kanti umahashi siyacela nje ukuthi asishowele apho umahashi amnike igame time amnike maybe 20 minutes or aqalise amsubstitute umahashi asomuntu esingamthembanga eZimbabwe yonke lo sasimthembe noma nanini noma eopponent yayiLanda wayidlala noma eseSouth wayidlala abamnike igame time umahashi siyabonga
nasiyabonga Mtomtala
my brother
Zitin
how are you my brother first time he tried to interview me I failed to talk I failed to say something about teammate Highlanders as he Tata so far we have gone for 3 games there's nothing that shows that we are really serious with the team bench is failing we have got 3 games we have got 3 points which means we have lost how many points which is too much so bench has to pull up his socks we get someone better who can lead our club it's 100 years we don't have a cup we don't have everything so bona uvelo uhlalelani phansi why is Velo uDarlington why engadlali akuna bhora lidlalayo ubench is not showing us that is the real person to lead Highlanders thank you very much
my brother what's up
ngishap kakhulu anko sharp
indaba
draw ama draw 3 games 3 points ama teams elama 9 points nxa ubenji kumhlula akasitshe ngokuthula madoda siyacela sifuna ukumkhipha vele indlela angena ngayo yes ngayifuniyo
thank you my brother
indlela angena ngayo ubenji asiyithandi kakambe
hayi yawuningi mana ngicela ngiqedela 1 minute
mina ngilabandlululo vele ngalokho kodwa ngicela ukuthi kwashe mahathi so samthathelani
Why singamnikeza igame la? Akasibonisi ubuhle wakhe. Indaba.
Ngangwazi ukucoach wena ungabuza ukucoach.
Hayi coach sicela usilungisele lapha kukhona kwasho match.
All right my brother. Manini phela wonke umuntu uzakhuluma.
All right.
My brother.
Hafa skibana.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yebo siyabonga. Hayi mina angikhali. Singasola ucoach singasolana. Abafana they are not clinical phambi kwegate. Ama chance esiwatholile first half we could have gone 3-0 4-0 up. Ungakayela uRauji, ukayela umNigerian, ukangele even uSmola ngumfana.
Bese singakhala ama team ale 6 points, 2 games nasile 3 points in 3 games. And uMaruaru kayenza ama tactics kanjani right. Into esicelayo uSmola la engabi selfish. Sizaba reach vele abantu isizini ziphela. Kungani sizakhuluma ngela abantu.
Next one my brother. Mana vetis nyabuza. Mana izuputas.
Him.
Mesisto. Mana phela putas uzabona ukuthi bana ukukhulu.
Mana zabe ukhulumela.
Asikhulumela nyawubambe. My brother.
Hayi mina uMaruaru ngamsoli as enough. Mana. uMaruaru mina ngamsoli as it is enough and uMaruaru kakaholi so far and kakahlo kakadliwa kodwa into ebengitsho kuMaruaru mina bengicela isubstitute engifuna as a boss offense first half and kadlalisa uPrince Ndlovu second half emkhipha aqede lapho efaka uMahachi aqede lapho iNigeria ngalikhiphe egemini and efaka uManinji lo Raushi ngale umongameli edlale first half lo Prince Ndlovu bangadina bebakhiphe sebefaka uManinji lo Mahachi le Nigeria lo Raushi ngale.
Nice one my brother, nice one. Mana kube lo pura sekhuma lo vetis.
Okay bra, thank you for giving me our time ukuthi ngicho something. Today's game it shows ukuthi ucoach wethu kakabi le confidence team ukuthi yena uyibamba njani team yakhe. Yabona umongameli is a good player but he is a youngster. Let's not give him pressure ukuthi useqala ukufuna ukuthi arrange kakhulu ayenze. We missed a lot of chances because of that. Coach make sure you do player management as uMaruaru and engarage ukuthi sefuna ukuthi engena le bora ngendlela yenza ngayo ku Dynamos. You have assist and it can be written ukuthi la usithi assist. Okucina into emfuna ukuthi ngiyibonge ngama supporters abuyile. But ucoach yena he should pull up his socks. Abe le confidence ama subs yawufuna. We need that bra. Akasapule abe le decision. Ku Dynamos we missed a lot of chances. Sadliwa nge second half. Ucoach Dynamos wawina. Thina first half sawina. Second half ucoach wethu hayi akayizanga kuhle.
Yes.
My brother.
Yebo.
Zithinja manje.
Kula lutho hey.
Ngezwa last week bekusha ukhuluma kakhulu ngoMaruaru.
Yeah, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga ukuthi khona ngikhulume ngoMaruaru. Into eyenzakeleyo uyazi ukuthi Burwami ukuthi besikhatshana thina singekho last game ye Dynamos. Uyabona igame yakhathesi Burwami. Ungasabhuli ucabangela. Akuntshela ukuthi kuyini. Akuntshela ukuthi kuyini ukuthi khona wena usabhule nge94 minutes.
Mana vetis. Zwana putas.
uMaruaru sambonga kahle laba baqhuma iqembu kwabo.
Mana phela. Kasikase uthi.
Yes. Ngiyabonga brother yami. Ngifuna ukubuza into eyi100 ukuthi khona wena 94 minutes usabhulile kodwa usabhula amasabha wrong, very wrong. Badlisa ndoda abantu abangenileyo. Umfakile uPrince yes of course kayenzanga lutho fakolo eqeda lapho wathi uMahachi umfaka nge94 minutes ikuyini khona lokuthi umfake ibhora seliphelile hantsho abona ukuthi nxa sesithina ama supporters kubuhlungu Burwami imali esiyidingayo sizongena lapha eBF it's very painful. We understand. It's very painful imali esiyidingayo sibuya sizongena eBF lapha ngama $5. Hayi khona ukuthi sizobukela into efana lona leyi. Sesile how many draws? Silama draws. and then siqeda lapho sizitshela ukuthi namhlanje sizobukela iwini siqeda lapho lathi siye phezulu. No, this is
Next one round, just mana ngizumdala dale mina bese ngibuya kwemdala. Pura Sam, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Okay, thanks ngiyabonga ithuba lempolweni. Namhla it was a good game sibili sidlalile but we were not clinical. Umfana umongameli ngakho clinical and I think it was a good game but isapho kama ninja lana I think it was a wrong move ukuthi befaka mahashi also because ulokhu then ninja skill wise is not good akho technical so sesinika someone nje umahashi ukuthi ispace yakwazi ukurecha njani afaka iBorama strikers Nigerian was good sibili even lo enkameni silayo captain was good center backs were good but the problem ukuthi wena le ukuthi coach la yaphuza ukusubstitute supposed to be technical wadlala ezweni wadlala konke but asazi ukuthi maybe ngokwazi ngcono but we feel as supporters ukuthi you should do better yabona but hayi ngiyabonga bafo
next one my brother sharp buya ref buya
Zekhala ke manje namhlanje
mana mdala gagathele buya le mdala
ya mina ngikhuluma okuncane kuphela waru habe straight angenzi into ngathi uyethuka ku coach team nxa enikwa i-team asebenze lesabha ayenzayo wasozofaka umatch nge94 minutes umuntu wedlalela isquad 94 minutes hayi
usondile mthala
ngizonde kakhulu ngile 45 years ngibukela iHighland la mina 45 years
mfundisi ungasithi umdala le 45 years ubukela iHighland
ngibukela iHighland kudlala bo British labo bani mina ngile 65 years wena umncane kakhulu
ngile 77
umncane kakhulu
siyabonga mthala buya laba mfundisi lo ref
yeah
Highlanders 0-0
ngibuhlungu kakhulu mina into engicaphulayo ukuthi uBenjana soza afaka umuntu ibhora seliphelile lokubona ngaphi lokho ungucoach efaka isaphu ibhora seliphelile lokho zesefaka 3 minute injury time wona sokubathi injury time sebefaka 3 minutes kulesikhathi beyifakile sunkhona ukuthi uyafaka isaphu lifathi lenzeleni ayi umatch uyasichazisela kodwa ungafuka ubalile emsebenzini wamthengelani kathi ureason vele yena uhlaleleni umzondelana ureason wonani okulandela yathe umgijimi wona ref lo mgijimi ngasabuye ground yiko kulandela ngobench futhi akumani
uvumelana la
Zekhala namhlanje Mozi u0 iposto 0 mina angikho happy at all yabona yini uBenjani make sure ukuthi ya rate izinto anti umahashi ka create ama goals at first yabona at first maze amkhiphe after yabona before either uyamkhipha before half time or after half time uya create ama goals yabona combination ka Nigeria no match is strong le combination yabona mina ngiyabentshela ama supporters ami ukuthi kule peneza kathi hayi
uvumela naye uref
right lo ngithike uhlanyele eBhozanti into ekhona anti Mandebela anti thina uBenjani wathi eqasho wathi yena vele kweLanders uzasinikana iglory you bring back those glory days anti 3 games 3 draws akula goal akulana anti sidlela entertaining football uma ngemena ufana lwana uzamile wazama uzihlohla wenzani wazwadinwa uma hathi wamfaka sose 2 minutes ule kwathi game over something nani mahathi ende ngale betrainer uma hathi kazangadlale uma benjani othi wena ngiyakwazi udlala njani anti so ulwa le player ngibene ulwa lathi Marwaru right ulalele uzalalela Marwaru sicela ungasitshela umfowethu ngakutshela press conference futhi ngawutshela ngathi amandebela afuna iwini amandebela negotiate afuna iwini afuna 3 points kuthi anamozi sibesidlala kuhle anti asiwinanga sa draw basihleka amashona hayi sorry asomashona abafowethu all right basihleka uvele cause unga ende Benjani ngicela yes Benjani all right Benjani next game kusima bora stela iwini mboyimbrazanti mina nginika 5 games ngitike isihlanu ebhozo nginika 5 games ngona 5 games ungaziwini hayi sophele ku 5 games sokuthi ophelile ngiyabonga
nice one TK ngalithi gaga sesiqedile
umqanjelo uyakhuluma manje indaba eyenzakalayo the boys are very forceful bazama ukwenza abakwenzayo siyabonga igame yabe right we don't intend ukuthi sipikele ucoach iteam but abafana mabezama to the coach indlela opika ngayo you can't intend ukufaka isubstitution ku 93 minutes what's that we were not even leading andisidinga ukuwina siyadliwa iteam siyathrowa otherwise being at home siyadliwa kahle sikhangelela igoal and then the other issue mina vele ngiconsent ngayo
le $5 ezisingenisa ngayo le stadium le siyayala siyacela amabhosi amahle mandebela amahle lani lonke lani emashoneni khona ngapha sikazi ukuthi lingena malini ema stadium le $5 $3 was better mali ukuthi game enkulu crucial faka nini ku $5 we can't go ku regular game nge $5 what for what special kumbe selibisela imali kaChivayo engcina ama $3 ngawena weteam $2 buyela kuChivayo siyacela siqale isilungisele khonapho ngeke sibuye eboreni nge $5 hayi $5 no abanawo bethu bayehlule ukungena eboreni bafuna ukungena kuyi $3 besikwanisa ukusacrifice asithi mfana ami ngena nansi ngibuye le $5 yami la lethi $1 lakhe ngimngenise manje sokumele sikhipha ama $10 singenisa abafana bethu no
thank you my brother
indaba le asilungisele
thank you my brother Bhuti omkhulu
unjani
nanjabo
umchasiso kaNcubo okhulumayo mina ngikho happy ngendlela okudlalwe ngayo ukukhulu kakhulu uMarwaru i-substitution yakhe yamehlula all the time umuntu uyangayenzi kahle ebonakala ukuthi kayenzi kahle but engamkhiphi in time then uMahathi kwamele mfake in time ekhipha uShepard umbona ukuthi beseqhula amabhora amanye eWestful but wamchiye njalo uMahathi sezomfaka siyadliwa kufanele ukuthi siyadliwa ama-straw but mawusufaka umuntu ufanele ukuthi usubulala isikhathi yabona lokwana kwenzwa siwina akwenzile so le ama $5 awethi ilokhu zeni igame lesibona ama $3 at least so sicela ukuthi asenzele ngcono uMarwaro
siyabonga Bhuti
lungisisa sharp
nice one my brother semvala buya alright mfuna uthi lithi 1 minute mvale alright my bro
sure Bhuti asunjani mina ngishap mina vele ngisontile kabi ngisontile phezulu ubhadala $5 ngisuka khona le gwanda khona le ngathi ngizobhadala $5 lapha ngingasabukela ibhola lichaza first game athi mnandi but isabhu yakhe lana manager athi mfakelana kule ukuthi afaka uMahathi kwapha ngapha lo Mahathi wangikhona futhi sembhenji kamfaka ngeground hayi sicela ingane liyayehlisa iPay le gate le ibiyele ku $3 sibukela ibhora hayi Benjani sicela uzame ukungcono lapha isabhu yakho lapha kube ngcono lapha
nice one my bro Bhuti asiyami
angishapho sikhipha
nayimnandi
right hayi mina ukukhuluma iqiniso yokuhla nti ngikhulumela labanye abanyekho mina kanithabanga mina uMarwara angimthethisi Dumize clueless coach ungabona i-team iluza ama second balls anti azabe manengi that means the coach is lacking because umsebenzi ka coach is to guide those youngsters and to play better and yena ipresence yakhe kai ungani baku training abafana la to be honest and but ngicela ukukubuza second half did you see a shot on target there was no shot on target and so uMarwara mina ngibona kanti anti anti wathi vele i-contract yakhe i-performance based zingakwani 5 zona lezo saziwayo if it's true and ayikahambe kudinga omunye ucoach ongcono because he's failing he's a failure and so I'm not insulting him akaze ayibone le video angathi ngiyam insult you know Highlanders is one of the most followed teams in this country and siyedlala idoda njengana lena le mali ezibhadala $5 bjala awudoda ipenda Marwari ipenda
sakubona hayi ibhora libukele
yasiyana para abantu okhuluma lawo
ibhora libukele limnandi but as a team enkulu yale Nandi yeza phela kuna ndodani sibele uzothatha iwin but so far close lama draw akusizi indawo khonoko Benjani mpenjani sizonke sicela ukuthi next time man ubewazi team
siyabonga my brother
mana putaza
asirasikhathi
so mina ngokucina
now
siyakuthanda coach wathi Benjani Marwaro but sicela senzele ama result are positive
nice one
only positive
ibhora wasazi ukuthi ibhora kule win kule lose le draw njengami ngikhothaza kakhulu ama supporters Highlanders awebhoso ukuthi hayi no sikuwe wazi khonokho ukuthi sidliwe kumbe siwinile kumbe siluzile ngoba masingena lapha sibhadala mawubhadala yes obvious ngongena ungigangele ukuthi team yakhe izaluza but ungena wazi ukuthi hayi lapha songaba lose songaba la win or songaba le draw.
That was another interesting episode of Pass and Move special here at Papa Phil's Stadium. It finished Highlanders 0, Moz 0. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.